How to increase max volume on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can increase max volume on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step you're going to take is open up your settings. On your settings, scroll down till you find sounds and haptics. Head over there. Now there on the top, you'll find your volume slider. Just make sure that it is turned up all the way. After you've turned it up all the way, you can then go back and there you can scroll down until you find the apps, and here you can search for music. Tap on music, and after you hear, what you will see is you'll see the audio section. Now under audio section, tap on EQ, and right here you will need to change this to loudness and also turn off sound check. After you've done that, go back to your settings and go to your sounds and haptics. Scroll down and there you will see volume limit. So here, if this is turned on, limit maximum volume, turn this off. Also go to headphone safety and make sure that reduce loud audio option is toggled off as well. And that's it. That's how you increase max volume on iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and